Okay, one more time we'll see what is Snowflake. Anyone? One more time. Snowflake. Anyone tell me like what is? We'll see one more time. What is Snowflake? It's a cloud-based data warehouse, mainly for analytical solution. Okay. Now tell me what is our role? Our role is what? What is our role? Tell me what is our role? Tell me what is our role? Tell me, you should say, tell me,
Snowflake developer and Snowflake data engineer.
Snowflake developer or Snowflake data engineer. Okay, so same thing. Now, how the work will come to us? Tell me how the work will come to us in real-time project. By using which tool? By using Jira ticketing tool. Okay, Jira ticketing tool. Okay. Now, suppose like I want to communicate with the database, with the Snowflake. Tell me how can I communicate? By using which concept? By using which concept? We'll go for SQL. SQL is nothing but say structured query language. And what the statements we're having? SQL commands or SQL languages or basic building
blocks
of SQL. It is called as what? What the commands we're having? We're having
DDL.
Okay, then
DML.
Okay, so DML, then
TCL.
Okay, then
DRL.
DRL or DQL, then
no, DCL.
DCL. Okay, so these are the statements. Okay, so same thing. Now we'll go for one more time. Now before that, what we need to have Snowflake account. Now tell me, for Snowflake account, do we need to install any software or any hardware? No need, because it's a SaaS
software as service.
Software as a
service.
No need to install any software or any hardware. Just we should create account and we can enable. Okay, now first we should have one database, one schema, then tables. Okay, suppose go back here. So go to try to open one. Okay, so try to create. So create database. Assume like this is employee development database. Okay, see, database has been created. Now we should create what? One schema. So create schema, employee development schema. Remember one thing, in real time we don't create this database and schemas. Only which guy? Snowflake admin will create these databases and these schemas. Okay, now tell me, by using query, I want to get what is my database name, schema name. We'll go for select current database. Okay, how to get a schema? Same thing, current schema. Okay, so schema. Okay, so database name and schema name is this. Okay, now tell me, I want to create a table. By using which concept we can able to create a table? How to create a table? By using which statement? By using DDL, that is create statement. Create statement. Suppose like, so try to get the same thing. So create the table. Okay, now this is DML statement. Okay, so DML statement. Okay, I have given the task. Okay, one or two guys only sending the task. Okay, you should do the task. Okay, now tell me, I want to see this data. How can I see the data? By using which command? By using select command. Okay, so select star from table. Okay. Okay, now before that, tell me what is star here. This is important. Tell me what is star. What is star?
Projection.
Projection. It's a projection
operator.
Operator. Okay, see one more time. Now what we know? Select the star from table name. So employee is the table. Select is the DRL statement. Data retrieval or data query language. Now what is select star is nothing but say projection of what is doing. See, it is projecting all the columns. Suppose let's see what happened. Now we are trying to create employee ID, employee name, salary, date of birth, so department. So in the sense like what is star is let's say projection operator. What it will do? Anyone know? What tell me what exactly it will do? The projection operator.
Project all the columns in the table.
Okay, so fetch the data. Okay, it will
Project
It will
table
fetch the
column.
data from the
Project
table.
all the columns from
From
the
the
table.
table.
Suppose if I don't want all the columns, if I want to get the specific columns, we can able to write the specific column. Suppose
Distinct.
I want to get employee ID, employee name. Like this specific column, suppose like department ID, we can able to get. What the pointer? So this is nothing but star is nothing but it will project all the columns and all the records. Now I want only specific column, then we'll go for employee ID, employee name, department ID. Okay, see one more time. So this is important. So select star from table. What it will do? It will project all columns and all records. Okay, see one more time. This is see. These are columns. Okay, see. So these are columns and these are the records. Okay, it is projecting all the columns and all the records. Getting the points. So see now, suppose like I don't want all the columns and I want only specific column, then we can go for column 1, column 2, column 3 from table name. It will give only, it will project only specific columns. Only 3 columns will be projected. It's a specific columns. So mostly remember, mostly we'll write in the real time, we'll work on select statement only. So specific columns and all records. So here all columns and all records. Here specific columns and all records. Now see the same thing. Now I don't want all the columns. I want only department ID. So department ID from employee table. It will give only what? Only department. Now see the same thing. Now we're having 100, 100, 200. See what happened?
Duplicates also come.
Okay, see we are having 300 3 times, 200 3 times, 100 2 times. Now I want to get only one time. I want to get only 300, 200, 100. I want to get only unique records. How can I get the unique records?
By using distinct keyword.
Distinct keyword. Okay, say distinct keyword. Okay, slowly we should understand one by one concept. See, distinct keyword will give 100, 200, 300. One more time. It is giving all the, see, it's giving the records. But I want to get only unique records. By using distinct, we can able to get it. Clear so far? So this is distinct keyword. Same thing, select star from employee. Now requirements that what? I don't want all the departments. I want to get only 300 department. Now tell me which concept will come into picture. I want to select. Okay, see, I want to select specific records. We should go for what concept? Important, that is filtering. Concept. Okay, so once you see, we'll see the use case. Okay, understand the concept. So for what is projecting all the columns and all the records, specific columns and all the records. But I want to see only specific records. Okay, I don't want all the records. I want to see only department 200. I want to see only department 300. How to write? Which makes a what class? Which makes a where class. So where department ID equals to 200. It will give only department 200. Suppose if I want to get only 300, it will give only department 300. If I want to get only 100, we can able to. This is not but it's a filtering concept. Get the concept? Clear as a little bit. Okay, see now select star from, it is projecting all the columns and all. I'm using control enter is the shortcut. So control plus enter is the shortcut. Okay. Now see, I'm selecting. It is projecting all the, see total there are 8 records and 6, 7 columns are there. Now I want only department ID 300. So now tell me where is compulsory condition, optional condition? Where is anyone? Now tell me. You should say whenever you know answer. Tell me compulsory or optional condition where? Anyone?
Compulsory condition.
It's a compulsory condition. Okay, see now there are. If I see this thing, what happened? We are getting. See 100, 200, 300. But I want to get only department 300. It's giving only compulsory, that is 300. Okay, so in the sense like what? Where is compulsory condition? Okay, condition. Suppose now I want to get salary 75,000. Now I want to get only 75,000. Now how to write? Now we should write. Tell me anyone. I want to get this condition also. We should go for
and salary equal to.
And salary
equal to 75,000.
75,000. See now how many records will come? As you know, there are 3 records are there. Now I'll get only 2 records. Now I want to get only employee ID 4. Then now how many records will
And
come?
employed 1.
Okay,
Only
now
one.
and employee ID
And the employee ID.
equals to 4. It will give.
One.
So in the sense
4.
like what? Now tell me, and is also compulsory option condition, and is also
Compulsory.
compulsory condition. So where class is compulsory and is compulsory. So see, we'll get only one where multiple and conditions give. So it is projecting 8 records. It's giving only 3 records. Again see 75,000, 75,000, 85,000. Now I want to get only 75,000. So it's a compulsory condition. Now out of these 2 records, 4, I want to get only employed. So it is giving 4 records. So clear so far? Getting a little bit at least? Yes or no? Getting it? So like this. Okay, so this is filtering concept. Same thing we'll go for one more time. Now select star from employee. What it will give? It will project all the columns and all the records. Okay, see it's projecting all. Now requirement is that what? Now I want to get employee ID 1. We should go for where employee ID equals to 1. Now see it's giving only 1. Now requirement is that what? I want to project employee ID 1 as well as employee ID 2. Outright?
Or
And tell me. I want to project. Can you use unconditional? Unconditional?
Tell me again. Or
no, my requirement is that what I want to get employee ID 1 as well as employee ID 2.
employee ID in 1 and 1,4.
In 1,2.
Okay,
Yes, sir,
what
1,
about and will work on?
And will not
No.
work. And
no, it will not work.
will execute
We
the
can
only
use
first
in or
statement.
Okay, see what happened? What I said and is nothing but say compulsory condition. Now see, it is projecting only 1. Now when I put and employee ID equals to what happens? See, it is not possible. So in the sense like what, for one record, 2 employees is not possible. So it's a, see what happened? So this is already filter records. Now we don't got this. So in the sense like what, and is compulsory.
Or
Okay, see, and is compulsory condition. So in the sense like what, for one record, it should have 1 record and 2 is not possible. So for this purpose, we should go for optional condition is or condition. Or. So remember, and is compulsory condition. Okay.
Semicolon.
Okay, sir. Okay. Now see what happened? Employed equal to 1. So in a sense like what? So what it mean? Anybody tell me? So it will pick either 1 or 2. Suppose like I'm putting something like 1,000. Now tell me this 10,000 is there? It is not there. Now tell me we'll get which record?
only 2.
Only 2. In the sense like what? It will pick either this value or this value. Suppose when I put and, it will work out, tell me. So in the sense like what?
No.
This condition need to satisfy
No.
and this condition, so it won't
And
satisfy. Okay,
both
and this
condition will
both
satisfy.
condition need to be satisfied. For one record, it is not possible to get 2 conditions, two employees. Okay, employed equal to 1 or employed equals to. Okay, like this. Okay, so your basic should be strong. Then only we can able to understand. See, it will pick either 1 value or 2. Suppose I want to get employed 3. It will assume 3. Suppose I want to get employee ID 40. Now tell me, is good looking, huh? Like 1, 2, 3, like so much of code. Okay, see. So 3 times right. Instead of putting like this, or is there any other option?
In.
We'll go for in condition. Okay, see. Same. Okay, so we'll see one more time. So these are important. Okay, so remember, okay, data will be there in real time process. Okay, now we want to the filtering concept with the help of where condition and condition all this. Okay, so instead of writing this multiple or, we can able to write what? Where employee ID in 1 comma, okay, then 2 comma, okay, then so 3 comma 4. So see what happened? It's giving same result. This is same 4 records, see 4 records. Now I'm putting something like 4,000. Now what happened? It will give only 1, 2, 3. So I'm putting something like this. Now what happened? It will give only 1 comma. So what about this one? Tell me. It will give only 1 record. So in a sense like what? Suppose I went put like this, it will give 1 records. Huh?
No.
No. So because, so where is compulsory condition? So out of these 3 conditions, or out of this thing, at least 1 record should be satisfied. So there is, that's why it's not giving. So in a sense, so same as R and in both are same. Okay, see, it will give same result. So same in is nothing but multiple R.
In optional condition.
multiple are, it's also optional condition. Okay, get the pronunciation also optional condition. Okay, like this. Okay, see. Okay, what about R? R is also optional condition. Optional condition. Okay, and is where and under compulsory. R is optional condition. Got the point? So see where. Okay, see. Select star from table. What it will do? It is projecting all the columns and all the records. It will project all the columns and all. It is projecting specific columns and all records. Now what happens? Suppose like I want to get specific records, then we should go for where class. Where column 1 equals to now. Okay, so mute yourself. Okay, where column 1 equal to val 1. If I want to get one more condition, go for and condition. Column 2 equals to val 2. If you want to get one more condition, go for column 3 equals to val 3. Suppose if I want to have one more condition with multiple condition, then column 4 equals to val 4 or column 4 or column 4 5 equals to val 5. Now tell me what happened. So this condition it is satisfy second condition, third condition. Out of this fourth condition, it can be satisfy first condition or second condition or both condition. Getting this in other word filtering. Same thing, go back here. Now tell me in this database, I want to see list of tables. How can I see list of tables? How can I see list of tables in the particular database? How can I see list of tables?
Using show tables.
Show tables.
Show tables. Okay, show tables. So this basic should be strong. Now tell me how can I see the list of columns? So describe table name table. Suppose like I want to see the definition. How can I see definition? So select get underscore DDL data definition language. So put the table is a table object.
Table
name. Okay, so before that, tell me what is this employee name salaries are called? These are what are these things? These are what?
These are column names.
Column names. What about number, varchar, number, data are called?
Data types.
Data types.
What is 38, 100, 38? These are called?
Size.
Data size or data length. Okay. So this basic should be strong. Okay, see. Now I want to see the definition. Select get DDL table name. Now click on this thing. So copy this same thing. So we can able to get the definition. Okay, like this, it should be strong. Okay, so like first clear the database, table, all this thing we can. Okay. So clear so far?
Praveen, here small doubt.
Okay. Yes, go ahead.
Here, so for example, if you mention the data type is number, right? So what is the default value it will take, or how how much we can mention in that?
Okay, so suppose like create table, suppose like sample table. I'm putting ID, number, okay, ID 1. Something I'm putting number of 2. Suppose I'm putting A varchar. So B varchar 2, C text, D string. Then okay, suppose like E varchar 20. Now see what happened. Now try to create this table. Okay, see what happened. So sample table number. So table has been created. Now see the same thing. Now how to see list of columns, shall we? How can I see list of columns? How can I see list of columns? So describe table name. Okay, now see the same thing. Now I'm giving what? Okay, see this is important. Okay, I'm putting number, but it's taking what? Default is taking 38, 0. So in a sense, like what default value is 38. Suppose when you put number, it will take 2 only. So getting a number, so difference. So it will take the default of 38 size only. So it's a maximum size 38. Okay. Now what about varchar? See, I'm putting varchar to text string. Now what is taking internally? What is taking? It's taking what? If I give anything varchar to text string, what happens? Snowflake internally convert all this into what? Into varchar only. One more time. So if I give varchar to text string, okay, whatever it will take internally what? It take internally varchar only. Okay. If you don't mention what is taking, it is taking what? Suppose let's see, I'm putting varchar of 20. It is taking only 20. When I don't put what happens, taking default of what is value? So this is the value. Okay. Now everybody knows this value. What is this thing? So see, select. So it will store 16 MB. 16 MB. Okay, see 16 MB. Okay. But now tell me 1 MB is nothing but what? 1024 kilobytes. Again, 1 kilobyte is nothing but what? 1024 bytes. Okay, see the same thing. Now multiply with 16. Now both are same. Huh? So in a sense like what? Varchar can accommodate up to 16 MB, 16 MB data set. Okay, see one more time. So for number, if I don't put, it will take default of 38. If you mention, it will take this value. Varchar will take 20. If you don't mention what happened, you convert 16 MB. Up to 16 MB, it can able to accommodate. So clear so far? So when I put varchar to text string, it will internally convert into what? It convert into varchar. Clear so far? Getting it? Yes, no?
Yes, Praveen.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Same thing. Now, how to see list of tables? We can, now what's database name? So go for database. Our database. So see, we can able to get this thing. Okay, so okay, refresh the same thing. Now I want to see this thing. So click on this thing. So set, see, place name in editor. Now see the same thing. Now tell me what is this thing? What is this thing? Tell me. What is this thing?
Qualified name.
Oh,
Database name.
Say database name. Okay, what about this thing?
Schema name.
Schema name. What about this thing? The
Table
object
Table.
name. Okay, table or any object.
Fully
Okay.
qualified name.
So see, database name dot schema name dot table name. So in the sense like what it's called as fully
Fully qualified name.
qualified name. Now why we are, because not why we are putting like this? In real time we have development database, testing, UAT, prod. Now what happens? Same name will be there in development database, test database, UAT, and prod. In order to specify, now we should always mention database name, schema name, and table name. So this is the standard we should follow. Okay, see one more time, this is called as fully qualified name. The database name, schema name, table name. How to get these things? We can able to get. Click on this value. So place name in the editor. Okay. So first of all, you should be comfortable with this UI. Then only can able, because in real time we need to work on this UI only. Okay. Suppose like select start from. So table name. Okay, I want to get now. We can able to use. So click on this thing. So place name in editor. Okay, like this way. Now instead of star, if I want to get, I want to see list of columns. Now how can I get this column names? So instead of star, so click on this value. So 3 dot. You see, add columns in editor. Got the point? We can able. Okay, so like if I want to see the definition, we can able to see the definition. Okay. Now this is what we'll see this one in the. Okay, see. Now as of now, how we are inserting data? Tell me. How we are inserting the data by using what? By using insert into.
Insert keyword.
Like same thing what happened in now we can able to insert by using load data. This one we'll see. So see we can able to browse from the files. Got the point? So this one will see once we start Snowflake we can understand. Now first you should be comfortable. See this is my database name, schema name. There are so many. See if you see. Okay, there are so many. See tables, stages, file format, pipes, streams, tasks. Okay. So in real time we'll have like this only. So tables with the external stages, internal stages. So file formats. Okay. See pipes. So streams. Okay, these things we should create. Okay. Okay. So in Snowflake, in SQL, as of now, understand only for tables. Okay. We'll get the tables. Once you start Snowflake, now we can able to get the things. So that's what. So first you should be comfortable with this UI. Okay. Now, so suppose like I want to get this database. So click on these 3 dots. Set worksheet and see it is getting automatically. Now why we are trying to, because so it depends on requirement. So sometimes we should work on the development, we should work on the UAT. Now what happened? Click on this value, set worksheet context. It will get automatically changed. Now what's our database? Or we can go for what? Use database. Our database name is what? So this is my development. Okay, so employee DevDB. Okay, we can able to use or we can able to use like this. Okay, got the point. So first you should be comfortable with this UI. Okay, so what objects? Okay, see there are so many things are there. Depends on requirement. We'll work one accordingly. Okay. So that's what. Okay, so you should do practice. Okay, remember. So we want to learn. If you without putting efforts, no, it is not forwarded forward. Okay, multiple classes. Okay, so you should put efforts. Now what happened? Now you want to see list of tables. Go for show tables. Okay, Control Enter. So take this table name. How can I see this data by using select statement? Select the star from table name. Now see, table name is there. Okay. Now suppose like if I want to get now suppose like I want to get only gender. We can enable this gender. Suppose I want to get only F and M. One time I want to get unique records. How to get the unique records? How to get unique records?
By
How to
using
get
distinct keyword.
So distinct keyword. Okay, so distinct. Okay, these are basics, but it should be strong. Same thing. Suppose like I want to filter only so this is column, but I want to filter records whose gender is only F. I want to get only F. Then we should go for what? Filtering concept. That is where gender equals to F. So it will give only F. Suppose if I want to get M, it is giving M. Now tell me data is not coming. Why? Data is not coming. Why? Reason?
It is small. You are mentioning small letters.
Okay, see
General.
what is the conclusion? Data in the database is case sensitive. Sensitive in the sense like see, if I give small m, it should give, if I give capital M, it should give capital M only. Suppose if I put small m, it won't work. So this is, so what about the keywords? Case sensitive, case insensitive. Tell me. These keywords, case sensitive, case
Keywords,
these are
there
case,
is no restriction.
So there is no, so these are case insensitive, but the data is case sensitive. Okay, so we should do case sensitive for the point. So like this way I can enable. Okay, suppose I want to get employee ID 3 and employee 5, then I want to get employee ID 3 and employee ID 5. Then tell me how to get employee ID 3 and employee 5. Tell me. I want filter only 5 and 3 and 5. How to write? We should go for, tell me how to write.
3 and 5. So where
In-
employee ID in
No, already where is there? How many times write where?
And
And employee ID
employee ID
in 3, 5. 3, 5. Suppose I want to get only 55,000, then we should write one more and condition. Okay, and salary. So this one, listen carefully. We'll see the use case. You get to know some cases, something you get at least some point. Like this. Okay, see, this is, so where is one time and we can write multiple conditions. So it will give first one, it will give what? It will give 8 records. Then it will give only male records, control enter. I want only, so 3 and 5. Out of this 3 and 5, now I want only 50,000. Got it? This is filtering concept. Now go back here one more time. So like this only, you should be comfortable. Okay, how can I do all these things? Okay, so select star from employee. Okay, we'll see the use case. Okay, now see the same thing. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4, again 40, again 5, 6, 49. I want to do it in starting. I want to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 40, 49. How to get this value? By using which concept? You should go for what? Sorting. How can I do in SQL? Anyone need it? Simple thing. Tell me. How can I do sorting? Tell me sorting. How can I do? You should go for what clause? Order by employee ID ascending. Ascending is nothing but what? So big, smaller value to bigger value. Okay, see. So by default, when you don't mention, say ascending is that. Okay, so this is nothing but sorting. Sorting. How can I do in SQL? We should go for order by class. Okay, so by default, if you don't mention, it is an ascending sort. Ascending is nothing but what? Smaller value to bigger value. Okay, so clear so far. Suppose I want to get bigger value to smaller, I should go for DESC. This is descending. If I don't put nice an ascending set, if I want to get big descending value, bigger value to, so it's get bigger to smaller. Same thing. If I want to do the salary sorting, we should go for salaries. Okay, see, I'll get bigger value to smaller value. Suppose like if I remove now, it is by default the smaller value will get. So this is nothing but what? Sorting concept. Okay, so filtering concept and sorting concept. Clear so far? Where the department ID in 100, 200. Okay, now what it will do? It will do so only 100, 200. You see, 100 and 200, and I want to sorting like this. This is salary. It is a smaller value to bigger value. So this is nothing but filtering concept and sorting. Same thing. Now understand one more time. Now requirement is that what? Okay, Now requirement is that what? Okay, now I want to get list of employees whose salary range 50K to 75K. Now I want to get this range of values. See, my requirement is that what I want to get from here to here. I want to get this range of values I want to select. How can I select for range of values? Tell me. Can you use in salary in 50,000 like this is called? Tell me. Tell me. No. See what happened. What I'm asking. No. Okay. See, select star from employee where salary in 50,000. Okay, 50,000, 50,001, 50,002, up to 75. Tell me, is it called right like this? Huh? Because we don't know. Okay, see, if you have less records, you can have select. But in real time, we don't know exact one. Now see, 50,000, 50,001. You tell me up to 7,000. Is it possible? Is it possible? It is not possible. For range of values, we should go for what concept? Anyone?
Between.
So we should go for between concept.
Between.
So between. Okay, see. So where salary between, so these are important. Okay, without filtering, nothing of the 50,000 and 75,000. Okay, see the same thing. Now what it will give? So see, if I give that you all the records, 8 records. Now I want to get only 75, 50,000 to 75 order by salary. Okay, now see what happened. Now see, now tell me 50,000 is giving or not? So it's giving 75 lakhs. 7 lakhs. Okay, now see, it is giving 50,000, 75,000. Now tell me this 50,000 and 75,000 both are inclusive or exclusive? Yes, sir. Tell me, these are inclusive or exclusive? Tell me, inclusive or exclusive? See, inclusive is nothing but what? It is giving. This is value.
Including 50,000.
This is 50,000 is giving. 75 given is
Inclusive,
so, like what? So both are inclusive. Okay, so I should conclude now. So between is nothing but what? It's for a range of values. Okay, see, syntax is that what? So column between, okay, lower limit and upper limit. Okay, lower boundary or upper boundary. And remember is that what? Lower limit and upper limit both are inclusive. Inclusive in the sense like what? Inclusive in the sense like, tell me. Both will come. Okay, see, this condition matches, it will go. Same thing. Now understand this concept, important. Copy this value. Now I'm putting same value, 50,000, 50,000. Now tell me record will come or not come. Tell me. Won't come, tell me.
Yeah, it will include 50,000.
It will come, and how many records will come?
2 records.
2 records. See, 50,000, pick what I said. So both are inclusive. It is giving 50,000. Okay, same concept. No? Okay, so copy the same thing. 50,000. Now putting bigger value. Okay. Now tell me it will give or not. So we said just now we said both are inclusive. Now question is that what? When I try to exit, it will come or it won't come. Tell me. Anyone?
It won't come
Why?
because the starting value only is the bigger value.
Okay, see, when compared to this value, this is bigger value, so it won't come. So okay, so logic is that what? Always this lower limit should be either equal to upper limit or it should be less than upper limit. If it is more than greater than upper, it won't. It is false condition. So this is important. Okay, see, one more time. So see, this is what? Okay, this is smaller value, bigger value we are getting, and both are inclusive. See, it's working fine. Same thing, 50,000, 50,000, both are same. See, inclusive, it's given it. But what happened when I go here now? This lower limit is greater than upper limit. Now it won't give any record because always this lower boundary or lower should be either lesser value or it be equal to value. It cannot be bigger value. Same thing. No, sir. Same concept. Like this, you should learn step by step. Okay, see, within single table, I'm trying to learn all the concepts. Employee ID. Now what happened? Okay, to be ascending set. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see, requirement is that what? I know starting range. Starting limit is 4. I don't know ending value. Okay, see, once you see, we'll go for use case. Now, requires that what I want to get list of employees whose starting range is 4, but I don't know ending value. So I need to get 4, 5, 6, 40, 49. I know starting limit. I don't know ending limit. Okay, then outright, if I know starting and ending, we'll go for between. But I know starting limit only. But I want to get all these records. How can I get? I know starting limit only. Yes, tell me, anyone? Anyone? Tell me how to get? Simple thing only. I know if I know starting and limit, we'll go for between cost. But here I know only starting limit. I don't know ending limit. Then
By using greater than or equal to.
so when you know starting limit, what happen? We'll make of greater than or equals to. Okay. So link expiring, come back, same link there, try to link. So see. So where employee ID greater than or equals to 4. So it will give only see 4 like this. Same thing if I know ending limit as 40, then outright I need to get I'm getting only ending limit. So we should write less than or equals to 40. Got the point?
Less
See,
than
this
equal
is
to 49.
starting limit. This is ending limit. Okay, put the order by class. Okay, got the point? See. Okay, see. Okay, 42. We are getting like this. Okay, we are not getting 49. Okay, come back. We'll see one more time. So see. Okay, this is when I know starting limit greater than. When I know ending limit, we'll go for. Okay, putting R conditions. Tell me R conditions at words. Compulsory, optional. R is
optional.
Optional.
It will give.
Like
It will give 7 records.
7. Why 7? Why 1 record is missing? Really? I record. So it will give what? It will give all the records, no?
Okay. It will
Because
give
now what
Scotland
happened?
also.
Okay, see, R is nothing but what? So either this value or this value. See, greater than equal to 4 instance like what? This condition is added. Less than equal to 4 instance like what? So in the sense like what? So one more time, one exit now. It is giving all the records. Out of this, we are asking for only starting from 4. So it will give 4, 5, like this it will give. Suppose like when you put one, what happens? See, like this, what happened? It will give. Okay, suppose remove this value. Now what happened? Less than equal to 4, it will give this value. But what happened? I'm asking, so greater than or equal to 4 or less than. So in a sense, this condition or this condition. So in the sense like what? It will be all the conditions is satisfied. That's why it is giving all the conditions. Now what we should write? We should write instead of or, we should write what? It's a compulsory condition. How can the compulsory condition? We should go for what? Which concept? We should go for and condition. This is simple one, but what happened? We are not able to say. So got the point of see. Okay, when I put like this, what happens? Starting from 4, it is giving 4, 5, 6, 49. Okay, so less than. So it's this condition need to see 4. You see, 4 is satisfying. So 4 satisfying, 5 satisfying, 6 satisfying, 40. So these two conditions to be satisfying. In the sense like 49 won't come. So that's it. Okay, so get the point. So this 3 to 1 won't come. So 49 because so and is nothing but what? This condition satisfy, 6 satisfy, 5 satisfy, and 4 satisfy. So 49 and 3 to 1 won't come. This is not but it's a compulsory condition. Clear so far? Yes or no? Is getting the point, sir? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, so see, this is simple, and but what happened? You are not able to say. Okay, so that's what. So only this practice. So remember, SQL, however, said no, the thing no, you should practice. Okay, once you practice only, we can able to learn. Okay, so like this way. So this is okay. Starting when no starting limit, we should go for greater than equal to like this. Okay. So now we'll see the use cases. Okay. So this is clear. So say I'll ask the questions. You should say okay. Go back here. So try to open simple example every time like a Flipkart application. Okay, say Flipkart. So this is what, okay, so this is, assume like Flipkart is one table. Now tell me if I want to see all the records, how can I see all the records? Tell me Flipkart is a table. I want to project all the records, all the columns and all the records. How can I see by
using select star?
Select a star from Flipkart. Okay, it is giving all the columns and all records. So assume like it is having 5 lakh records. Simple example. Now see, so there are so many. Okay, so it's projecting all the columns and all the records. Now I want to purchase a shirt. Tell me if I want to purchase a phone. Suppose I want to purchase a phone. If you want to purchase a phone, do we require grocery? Home, this no need. So we should go for what? We should go for filtering concept. Okay, see? So now see, from 5 lakh, it is reducing to 9,000. Tell me, as the end user, can I search for 9,000 records to purchase phone? Is it possible?
No.
Tell me, no, it is not possible. Okay. So now what happened? We should make some what? Which concept will come into picture? Tell me.
Filtering.
Filtering concept will come into picture. So filtering concept start with what? Which class?
Mobiles. Only mobiles.
No, where? Okay, where? Category
Where
equals
category
to
mobiles.
phone. Okay, tell you how many records giving? It is giving 9,000 records, 9K records. Now suppose like my budget is having, suppose like my budget is having 10,000 and 30,000. When I have this much of my in my bank, now can I go for smaller value? Tell me no. Can I go for 2 lakhs record? Tell me no. Okay, so no, I want to get this range of values. Tell me how can I use the range of values? Range of
Where range equal to.
no, already where is there? Again, nowhere. Okay, only one where.
And
Okay, see? Okay, see? So remember one thing.
Between operator.
Okay, so 9,000. So see, before that, what happened? We're having 5 lakh records. See, no, I'm getting, so in the sense like what? It's a compulsory condition. It's reducing to 9,000. From see 9,000, if I select no 10,000 and 30,000, now getting what? So see 3,000. So records are reducing. Tell me, it's a compulsory or optional condition when records are reducing?
It's compulsory.
Compulsory condition. Compulsory condition, how can I put after where? We should go for what? We should go for and price
and
range of values. How can I write? We should go for between 10,000 and 30,000. See, now 3,000 came. So 3,000 is a bigger value to select. Okay, same thing. No, I don't want all the brands. I want only Samsung. So see, I don't want this. I want only Samsung. See, from 3,000, it is reducing to 428. So reducing in the sense, let's say compulsory option condition, say compulsory condition. Okay, and brand equals to Samsung. How many cards getting to? It's coming to so 428, something 400. Now suppose like I want to get Samsung brand as well as Vivo. See, from 400 it is getting increased. Not only it's a compulsory condition, optional condition in the particular category.
It's optional.
It's an optional. Optional condition. How can I write?
By using
or condition. Getting the point. So see, when I go here now, so clear this condition. Now see, as of now 3,000. From 3,000, I'm selecting only Samsung. See, 3,000 reducing to 4. Say compulsory condition. From 400, it is getting increased to 600. So in the sense like what? In the particular brand, okay, see, it's an optional condition. Okay, or brand equals to Vivo. Getting the point, sir? Like this, you should visualize. Okay, see, then only we can able to run. Okay, what happened? Now it's getting 600 records. Now suppose like I want to have one more brand. I'm using Oppo. From 600 reducing to increasing to 900. So in sense, what? One more or condition. Okay, Oppo. Getting the point, so now it's getting to 1,000 records. Okay, so getting the point, see, bracket open, bracket. So it will pick either Samsung brand, Vivo brand, or Oppo brand. Getting a point, sir? Yes or no? So same thing. So see, Vivo, Samsung, it is giving Samsung brand, Vivo brand, Oppo brand. Now what happened? Now tell me, instead of writing this multiple or condition, I want to simplify my code. How can I simplify the code?
By using in.
So by using in condition. You see, in Samsung. Okay. Okay. So multiple commas. Okay. So let's. Okay, so in we can able to write same thing. Get the point, sir? Yes or no? So see, we can able to write instead of or we can write in Samsung, Vivo, Oppo. So clear so far? Like this, you see how many cards came? Now 900 cards came. Now from 900, okay, now see 900. Now what happened? See how many cards are there? As of now, 952. Now I want to select only RAM 4GB. See how many cards came? 297. So the cards are reducing in sense, say compulsory condition.
It is a compulsory. And
RAM equal to something like 4G. Okay, see. So 300 cards came. 300. Same thing. Now what happened? Now, okay, now I want to get discount. Okay, see, 40% or more. So okay, so that's fine. Suppose I want to select 10% or more. So 10%. Okay. Suppose I'll select something like so 30% or more. Now see how many cards? 77. See, I know starting limit 30% or more. Then tell me outside this condition 30% or more. I know starting range then, and discount. Now tell me discount. I know starting limit. Tell me outright 30% or more. Outright.
By using
Greater than or
Using-
equal.
So greater than or equal to, greater than or equals to. Okay. So greater than or equals to what? Equals to 30% or something. You getting a point? So seeing this use case, you should be in a position. Okay, this is the concept. They are using this. See what happened? Greater than or equal to what? Now see, so far this is good. Okay. Now what happened? Now see, this is 11,000, 11,000 and 10,000. See, so 10,000. So smaller value, bigger value. Now I want to do sorting. Tell me how can I do sorting in SQL?
by
So low
using
to
order
high,
keyboard.
low to high, high to low. Now how can I achieve this by using what? By using which class? By using order by class. Order by price ascending or descending. See, same thing. So price ascending or descending. See, newest to first. Okay, high to low. So popularity, nothing but say rating. So relevance, okay, like this. Okay, see, this is what? So this is sorting concept. This is filtering concept. So when I click this is nothing but what? This is nothing but say, okay, all the columns and all the records. Suppose if I want to get phone, this is nothing but filtering concept. Then this is what? A range of values. Okay, see, range of values. Same thing, specific records. Like this, okay, you should do it. This is what? Sorting concept. This is filtering and sorting concept. Clear so far? Is getting the point, sir? So like this only the like real-time work layer, but instead of single table, there will be multiple tables. That's it. Same concept. Okay, where condition, under condition, greater than, less than. Okay, instead of single table, there will be multiple conditions. Okay, see what are the application we can do? Same application, go for Myntra. Okay. Now see, so assuming this is Myntra table. Tell me Myntra table is nothing but what? I want to see all the records. We should go for select. Select star from Myntra. Okay, so it is giving all the columns and all records. All records. So this is clear so far. Now this is all records. Okay, all the columns and all records. Like this also having 5 lakh records. Okay. Now what happened? I want to purchase a shirt. Okay, when you want to purchase shirt, so they require this all these things. Beauty all this. No, we should go for what? We should go for filtering concept. This is shirt. Now next step is that what? How to filter? First column is that what? First class that where class. Okay, so from class Myntra, we should go for where. So where category equal to shirt. Okay, okay, like this you should learn. Now how many cards came? See, it's reducing to 1.4 lakhs. 1.4 lakhs. Okay, now suppose see the same thing. Now I want to purchase shirt for me. When you want to purchase, no, do you require woman, boys? No, we need to go for only men. See, from 1.4 it's reducing to 1.2. Now tell me, records reducing, it's a compulsory optional condition. Say compulsory condition and gender equals to men. Now how many cards came? It's reducing to 1.2 lakhs. Okay, see 1.2 lakhs. Now suppose like same thing. Now I want to have blue color. See from 1.2 it's reducing to 23,000. Now in the sense like what records are reducing, then say compulsory condition and color equals to blue. Suppose like I want to blue color as well as something like white color. Now see how many records came. So see 39,000. So records are increasing. Say it's compulsory optional condition. It's a optional condition. So we can go for in condition or in operator or. So blue, comma white. Getting the point. So same thing. Now how many records? 40k records. Out of these 40k records, now I want to go for 30% and above. So 30% above in the sense like what? Tell me. Say compulsory optional condition, compulsory condition, and so discount greater than or equals to 30 or something. You know, it's giving 20k records. Now the same thing. Now go back here. No. So see, select. Okay, see. Now this I want to get 5810. Now tell me range of values should go for what? Range of values. See, I want to get this range. Now tell me range of values. Tell me how to get range of values. We should go for between concept. Okay, see, and price between what they want 5810 and 11341. Okay, suppose like I want to get this value. See, now records are 32 items. Now I want to select this condition also. So see, now tell me this is not this condition also. See, records are increasing. So records are increasing in the sense like it's a compulsory optional condition.
It is optional.
It's an optional. How to write the optional condition? We should go for what? We should go for or
Okay.
condition. Okay, see. So this value, okay, or one more condition. Okay, see. So it will pick either this value, okay, 5810 or 1134, 11341 and 16872. 16872. Okay. Suppose if I want to get one more condition. Now suppose like 16812. Now suppose like I want to select 2795810. Okay, see. Now 2795810. See, instead of writing these many three conditions, I want to done in single condition. Is it possible? Tell me. In a single condition, I want to get it done. Tell me. Single condition, how to write? Anyone? Simple thing only. In a single condition. Anyone? I want to get in single condition. See starting limit. Starting limit
less than or equal to 279 and greater than or equal to 11,341.
Okay, see, this is what, okay, so 113, see, 5810, this is ending, here starting. So this is ending, this is starting. I know starting limit, I know ending limit. How can I write? Tell me. So price between, so 2719, same thing. So bigger, getting the point, sir. That's what, okay. So you should remember one thing, knowing the concept is not important. You should know how to implement. See, now what I want to convey is that what, see. So 279, 5810, 1134, 167. I know starting limit, I know ending limit. Then we should go for what? So range of values. Other than range of values, is there an option? Tell me. Any other option we're having? So price greater than or equals to 279 and price
less than or equal to
less than or equals to, like this. See one more time. Now from this one, what I know starting limit and ending limit. See 5810. So see, I know starting and ending limit. Getting the point, sir? At last, you should go for sorting. How can do sorting? You should go for order by class. So clear so far? Getting the point, sir? Yes or no? So this is simple only, but what happens? So see, instead of writing multiple conditions, okay, see 1134, 5810. I know starting and I know ending. Simply I can write starting and ending between starting limit and ending limit. Or it's like greater than or equal to 279 and less than or equal. At last, you should write what? You should write for order by price. You see? Clear so far? Always write like this. You see? You should follow the coding standards. So coding standards you should follow. Okay, clear so far? Yes or no? Getting the point, sir? Like this way you can have it. Yes or no? Clear? Getting? That is you should work. Okay, if we're never getting, okay, see, this is not what filtering. This is very important. Okay, so without this select statement, we can't able, because now in real time we'll get the data. We need to write the queries. We need to, okay, now what is it? Ultimately, what we should create the ultimately what we should create dashboards. Okay, see. Now what happened? We should create all this dashboard. How can I say? Suppose if you go back here. Now I want to select particular year 2002. So now whatever is about filtering concept and sorting concept. Okay, like this way, that's what the case. Understand the concept, do the task, whatever I'm trying to, if you try to solve, it will be simple and easy. So see, always follow the coding standards. Give the proper name. Okay, see, this is code looking. Suppose when I write like this. Tell me, is it good looking? So it is not good looking. So see, we should follow coding standards, coding alignment. Okay, when you're working for MNCs, no, they'll write to check the code, but they'll do the code review. So code review in the sense like what, whether we're writing the code correctly or right, with coding alignment. Okay, see all this done, they'll check. Okay, that's why you should follow this coding alignment. All these things. Clear so far? Yes or no? Now we'll see some intro questions. Okay, suppose like I'm having Zomato, Zepto, Zoom. Okay, suppose like simple thing, Zomato, Zepto, Zoom. Okay, now tell me, I want to do ascending sorting. Which one come first? Zepto or Zomato, Zoom? Which one come first? Anyone? Ascending sort.
Zepto.
So see, first column it is Z. So both are same. Now what happened? Go for second column, which is a smaller value. Zepto is the smaller value. Same thing. Now same thing. First column same. Second column. You know which is the smaller value? M and go. So M is the smaller value. For the point. Like this. This will see this one later point of time. As now, so see first column checking. Second column check. This is the smaller value. So same both are same. Go back here. We'll see tomorrow. It's the same thing with other issues. Okay, this is important. Tell me. So assume like one table is there. In this table, okay, in this table, we are having one record is there. Okay, see. Okay, assume like price. Okay, now with a single condition, I want to achieve all these three conditions. Okay, assume like this is select star from some table where price. Tell me. I want to handle all these three conditions in a single. All three conditions I want to handle in a single query. Where? Tell me. Anyone? With a single condition, I want to achieve this thing.
Where amount less than or equal to 1 lakh.
1 lakh. Now tell me from this one. So whenever runner, take the snipping tool, screenshot. Now what happened? So remember SQL link looks simple, but what happened? We should practice. See, I know. So 50,000, 50,000. So less than 25,000 in the sense like, tell me one more time what is it? One more time. Tell me what is it?
Praveen, here we can mention price is greater than 1 and less than or equal to 1
Okay.
lakh.
So see what happened now. See what happened. So 25,000 and 50,000 is there. Okay. So 25,000. See here less than 25 in the sense like what we can get 1, 2, 3 anything. I don't know starting limit. See. So this is 25,000. So see this is ending limit. From these three things, which is the thing we are getting ending limit. How to get the ending limit? So simply write price less than or equal to 1 lakh. Okay. See. So one more time. From these three conditions, okay, so 25,000, 50,000, 50,000, 1 lakh. But I don't know because less than 25%, it can be anything. It can be 0, it can be 1, anything. So we should go for it. Select star from table. So where price less than or equals to 1 lakh. Suppose like if I want to get pricing between concept, we can write what? So price will start with 0. So 0. So where? Okay, so take the same thing. So where price greater than or equal to 0 and price less than or equals to 1 lakh. After this, we should do the sorting. Order by price, ascending and descending. Got the point? Yes, Anna, getting this? That's what. Okay, so you know things, but what happened? We should know. Remember, everyone knows the concept, but we should know how to implement. That is important. Getting the point, sir? Getting a little bit at least. Okay, see this what? Okay, see. Now suppose like I want to get this condition also, then I want to satisfy this condition also, then
We have to mention only from the greater than or equal to 1 prices.
Okay, see, because so see what happened. So 25,000, 25,000, 50,000, 50,000. Okay, see, we don't know starting limit, we don't know ending limit. Simply what we write, we should write what? So price greater than or equals to 0. Okay, tell me how to write. Same thing. So we need to write. So we should remove this condition or else. Or else I can able to simply comment this condition. That's it. You all the records got the point. So that's what. Okay. See in this use case, you should be and see what happened from this one. We know only ending limit. We don't know simply what price less than or equal to 1 lakh. Suppose like I want to handle these three conditions, then these three conditions, then
we can mention price is greater than or equal to 25,000.
Okay, you can get it. So starting limit I know. Ending limit I don't know. We'll go for price greater than or equal to 25,000. Okay, that's what. Okay. So when you have time now, we try to browse Myntra application. Flipkart, there are so many things are there. Okay, just we should understand this. Okay, try to browse these two conditions, these two steps. See what happened. Ultimately, what once we complete this SQL, now we should be in a position to see the same thing. Now this is what this is aggregate function. Like this, there are so many conditions we can able to get. Clear so far? Yes or no? So these are the count function. Now tell me. So there are okay. See, suppose like so there are so many hack something some brand is Hackett learner, but we are getting only one brand. One, tell me. See, we are getting one. Suppose like if you know, okay. Suppose I select Highlander. Okay. So now what happened? We are getting so many brands are there. Now we are getting only one time. Now how to get unique records? How to get unique records? How to get unique records? Just now discuss. Okay. See,
Using the distinct keyword.
Distinct keyword. Okay, so distinct. That's what. Seeing the application, you should be in a position. Okay, this is the concept using. This is the concept you're using. Clear so far? Getting the point, sir? Yes or no? Okay. So see what happened. What is see there? Highlander, but we are getting only one record. How are we getting only one record? We should go for what? We should go use distinct keyword. Clear so far? End notes, yes or no? Yes or no? Just getting or no? Yes, tell me. So these are like this only the work will be there. Okay. So instead of single tables, they'll have multiple tables. We should learn multiple tables and issue the filtering concepts. Okay, so any doubts as no anyone? Okay, like this. Okay. So that's why you can do this task. You see. So this task. So unit testing is nothing but what? Testing. So we need to remember after doing, see what happened. So morning somebody sent that over. Okay, see now what happened? Data is what I have written in smaller case. Now what happened? We have written uppercase. Now what is the requirement? Okay, same data, whatever the client is asking, we should give the same data. Now what happened? We have put in which case? We have put in the uppercase. But what client are expecting? So this case. Now what happened? Tell me both of them. No, because no, he's expecting this case, but this is nothing but what? So we should check that, but it's nothing but unit testing. So whether the code is working fine or not, that's nothing but unit testing. And one more thing is that what when I go here now. So next one is that what? Okay, see. Capture results in the zero ticket. Okay, now just now real time we'll have the same thing, but we don't have the zero ticket, all these things. Okay, so code repository is nothing but what is code repository? Anybody? What is operation of code repository? What's the purpose? Anyone? What's the purpose of code repository or version control? What it is? Anyone? What's the purpose? So it is used to maintain the code. So where you can able to maintain the code in the way the GitHub or Bitbucket. Okay, there this is nothing but what? So this is nothing but version control tools. Okay, if you want to maintain all this code, we should put in one place so that what easily we can able to migrate from one database to another database. Okay, like this slowly we should understand step by step. Okay, then only we can able to learn. Okay, so remember, okay, you are thinking like these are simple. When you are simple, no, why you are designing? Simple question. Okay, see the thing, no, you want to learn something. When you want to learn something, no, whatever the instructor or the trainers, you should follow. If you follow like what the things I'm saying, you can able to learn. So without learning, you are attending multiple classes, there will be no use. Okay, that's what straightforward. Okay, so whatever the task I'm giving, you should practice and send to me for validation. Okay, so that I can able to understand whether you're knowing or not. Okay, at last ending of the class after completion, I don't know, then okay, I'm not nothing. Nobody can able to. That's what. Okay, so put the efforts starting from day one. So what are the tasks I'm giving? If you do the task, what happens? This SQL statements will get completed almost like, okay, so DDL, DML, order, okay, insert. So this, all this, that's what. So this is like same thing. If I go for filtering concept, if I give this task, no, filtering concept will complete. Like this slowly we should learn one topic. Okay, then only you can able to learn those. So clear so far, indoors as no in one.